Stay cool on the go with the lifelong foldable bubble hand fan. Just unfold it, long press the button to power on, and switch between 3 speed levels for the perfect breeze. Powered by 1200 mAh rechargeable battery and delivering strong high-speed airflow for instant cooling. Stay informed with the digital display, showing both speed levels and battery status in real time. For safety, the fan will not operate while charging. It ensures reliable performance wherever you are. While it's compact, lightweight design fits easily in your bag, and the ergonomic grip keeps it comfortable to hold anytime. Complete with easy USB charging, it's your ideal everyday companion for travel, work, or outdoor use. Simple, portable, and always refreshing.